Hello everyone, I am Mike. Today I'm gonna introduce a brand new 3D printer A5. What is 3D printer? Simply, is it repeat prototype technology. The product I bring today is Vector 3D printer. You can do it, DIY it. Now it's time for magic. Fast assemble, easy and funny. For 3D printer, most people concerned about convenience in operating and printing quality. This printer uses metal frame, strong and stable. Size, print size 305, 305, 320. Can print large model. Before print we had to leave it. Using 4 points on screen. Semi after leaving. Colorful touch screen. Simple and easy to understand. Operation convenience. High quality extruder suite. Avoid stack and noise. 0.50 mm print accuracy. 150 mm print speed. Totally need the printing requirement of customer. High precision screwer. If power cut off during printing can terminate the task automatically or accidentally power off. It can continue printing task. However, A5 has power self-lock our function. Let the printing after power off more accurate. This machine support point continuous printing. Support printing pours or change filament, so it can manually achieve colorful printing. Innovation black diamond platform, easy to take off printed model. JGAURORA 3D printer A5, easy to print large model. Complicated models also easy job.